Hey, welcome back to Product Tips with Richard. Today I wanted to look at a device that I just got in the mail because I burned up some other discs. I really did. I burned up 5 terabyte discs, two 5 terabyte discs, because I was burning a video, one of my videos, from my computer to my disk, and I unplugged it accidentally. Yay for that. So has anybody ever burned up a disk like me? Comment in the comment section below, and maybe this guy's for you then if you've burned up a disk. And then I did something really stupid. I tried to open up the disk instead of try to pull on the warranty because I wanted to save what was on my disks, but alas, I could not save them, and I probably should have called in the warranty instead of opening up those disk drives. So a quick tip, that's actually a nice tip. Don't open up a disk drive if you want to call in the warranty. They will not cover the warranty if you do that. So I went and got this nice little, I'd looked a little bit into it. It's a WD Black game drive, disc for gaming. So I didn't get it for gaming, but I did a lot of research into it, looking at it and seeing if it would also work for everything I'm doing. So I'm just gonna try it out. I got it the other day, and I got it for its kind of cool design. So we're gonna open it up and just have a look, and then I might give you a review of how it does in performance and stuff. I don't actually know, so pop it open here. All right, now, so box drive itself comes in some nice packaging, I would say. I like sort of the military type look, very sleek design. I got the 5 terabytes, up to 130 megabits a second transfer speed. It should be pretty blazing fast. Now, I did hear some drawbacks from some other people that say, yeah, you know what, didn't have the highest speed if you're like a gamer. I'm not a gamer, so I just needed it for my videos. So it comes with some instructions there, and that's cool. And plug it into your computer. That's how you do it. If you don't know how to plug it into your computer, you're probably then a cable. Just is a USB, regular USB cable, not a USB-C, so I will have to adapt because my Mac only accepts the USB-C. So, on first impression, pretty cool looking, nice, cool design, and then it's got the beveled like design, sort of like a military, high grade, top secret. Yeah, very interesting. I think I'm gonna like this. So we'll plug it in and see what it does. Do it right. And then I'm gonna plug it in to my trusty USB port, the Scan and Go, or what's it called? I should do a Stay and Go. I should do a review of that one too. That's a pretty good device, but that's for another show. All right, so we're plugging it in here, and let's see what it does. Let's see that it shows up. WD Black. Looks good. I think I'm gonna like. So, been a box opening. Maybe I'll do a deeper dive and review of how fast it reacts. You know what? Maybe I'll just load what I'm gonna load right away onto that guy. I was gonna offload some of my stuff from my phone. So let's see. All right, so I'm gonna try and import a few videos. I have lots of videos on my phone, and let's see what it does here. So here we are. I've gotten the thing plugged in over here, engaged the WD Black. I like the profile, I like how that looks. Very light. And now I'm loading, boy, let's say, how many gigabytes? Got 198, 96 images and videos that I'm importing straight from my phone, plugged into my computer, doing the image capture thing. And I know at least 2 of those videos are 45 minutes long on my phone. And it seems to be moving pretty speedily, in my opinion. So just as it's doing that, tell you about the WD Black just as a product. I got a 5 terabyte. You can get all different sorts of sizes, I believe. Up to 130 megabits a second of transfer speed. It's a 2.5 inch portable HDD. It comes with it a Type A micro cable, and a quick install guide. And like I said, it's made for compatibility with PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, I think Xbox, yeah, here, Xbox Series, and I don't know about any other play. Let's see if I don't see anything else on here, game consoles. It doesn't look like it's compatible with, Nintendo Switch. That's a bummer, but, and Windows, of course, and Mac, and I plugged it in. And I was trying to see if it's compatible, if I needed to format it in any way, and it was ready to go. I just transferred a video onto it, and about a 2 gigabyte video took, a few seconds. I mean, so I don't know all the tech stuff. You're looking at the wrong channel for all the detailed tech specs. There was someone who did a real deep dive on this and what it would do. I'm not that guy, and how fast it is. If you need all that information, then go check those guys out. But for me, I kind of grabbed it because I liked how it looked, and it looks cool. And it's 5 gigabytes, and I think I got it for 100, little over 100 euro somewhere. So again, it's transferring a ton of data. The video that I took 2 45-minute videos in 4K, 30 frames a second on my phone, and they're long interviews. And so, wow, it's going to take a while, but it's doing it, and it looks pretty fast to me. So, yeah, plus 190 some odd other videos, short videos, and pictures. So it's doing it. I'll come back and tell you how long it took. Yeah, and we're back. And I'm not going to wait till that's over importing, so I won't bore you with all that stuff. But yeah, I just want to do a quick review of this WD Black 5 terabyte hard drive, external hard drive. It's not the most detailed tech specs type stuff, but I don't do that stuff. That's not this channel's for. My channel's to open boxes and give my reviews, and so far so good. And I appreciate having a drive again. So if you burned up a hard drive, or you're looking for a hard drive, maybe this is the one. Do your research. Hope this helps. Thanks for tuning into Product Tips by Richard. Thanks for tuning into this particular review. If you liked it and it was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. Click the bell, and you'll get all of our new uploads. Thanks for watching. Take care.